friends, and Happy New Year! I'm here with another project in the new year using our December Club Couture. Before I get into this, let me take 1 minute to tell you about Club Couture. Club Couture is a monthly subscription that includes 1 exclusive B-size transfer, 3 coordinating paste singles, how-to instructions, and free shipping on your kit for just $19.99 a month. Club members also have access to private sales, special deals, and receive a free copy of the most recent catalog along with flat rate shipping on all chalk slate orders of just $4.95. Okay, so I have the December Club Couture that I hadn't had a chance to play with last month because between Christmas and having surgery on my hand, which is why I have that hand brace on, I just didn't have a chance to use this one yet. So I still wanted to play with it because I love the sentiment on this transfer. And I am chalking for the first time with my left hand, and actually it's going really well. You saw earlier I had to add a little bit of water to my paste to make it all nice, but then look at that, it just comes out perfectly every time. So I'm going to make sure that this is all dry, all my chalk paste is dry before I go ahead and add some twine and some ribbon on this fun chalkboard that I managed to find last month. So I'm just gonna twist this twine as I'm getting it kind of fumbled up there a little bit, but I'm gonna twist this around the handle of my chalkboard there, and then after that I'm going to add some ribbon. I actually just found this ribbon that you'll see here in a minute, this black and white striped ribbon that I'm actually going to use on my Valentine's Day tree. I decided I'm going to do another Valentine's Day tree, so stay tuned for that. But I thought it would look real cute on this project. And then I decided to add a little bit more ribbon that I had left over from Christmas, and sorry that's a little bit out of frame, but you'll see it in just a second. I've got a white and then like a peachy color that I added to that, so I'm just going to add those all together and wrap some twine around it. If I can get my hand to work right, this brace is kind of kind of makes things hard to do, but I'm just going to wrap that around the back of there, if I can get it on there right. I almost had to ask my son for an extra hand in here, but I think I got it. So I'm just going to flip it around, adjust my bow. Look how cute that looks. I love this. Such a simple project, which is why I love Chalk Couture, because you can take a simple project and it looks like you spent so much time on it. I just love it. So there you have it. Good things are going to happen this year. I can feel it. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.